This is what the finished dish looks like. Some coconut rice with a little turmeric, served with some Barbie fried chicken. I'll be cooking some coconut rice, so I'll be using some coconut, creamed coconut, which has the coconut flakes in it. I'll be using some chicken broth, no water. I'll be using my green onions, thyme, purple onions. I'll use a little bay leaf, a little spice, which is pimento. I use a little hint of salt, and I use a little turmeric. So I added a little olive oil, and then I added a little turmeric. You can do this without the turmeric. However, I did not want the rice to be just all white. I needed to give it a little color, so I used a little hint of turmeric in it. So I add my turmeric in, and then I added my seasonings for them to saute a little. I'll be using 2.5 cups white rice, and I make sure to wash my rice before I did my ingredients. And I'll also be using a little frozen beans, which has carrots, corn, green peas, and some snap peas in it, because I wanted to. You can also do this without. You can exempt this from your coconut rice. But your island girl, your Jamaica girl, I love coconut. Give me anything with coconut. Coconut cake, coconut ice cream. I just love coconut. I love to chew on coconut. So this is my second time making this coconut rice without beans or without red peas. And because I'm cooking rice, I have to use a little salt in it to help to give it flavor, because I will not be using no powdered seasoning except a little all-purpose seasoning in this, alongside with the little butter and the green seasonings. Now, once everything is sauteed, I added my butter. Then I'll be adding in my cream, coconut milk, and I love that one in the little red packet because it has coconut flakes in it, unlike the coconut milk from the tin. Once you use this to cook your rice, let me tell you, if you're a coconut lover like me, you literally can taste the flakes in the rice. You're chewing the rice and you're tasting the coconut. One day I'm gonna do a seasoned rice to show you, and in my seasoned rice video I'll be using coconut milk for my seasoned rice. Let me tell you, that's another lit video. Guys, I do hope that you all are enjoying these videos that I am doing. You're experimenting. The rule of the game is to please make sure that you like the videos. Thank you for your continued support. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm waiting for a second so you can hit that subscribe button. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hitting your notification bell. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking, where your Caribbean or your island girl shows you Jamaican cooking, how I cook American food while also incorporating American seasonings to get a Caribbean taste and flavor. Here I added my rice and I am stirring this in to make sure the liquid is not more than the rice. And then I added a little green pepper to this to help to give my pot a little flavor. I want to send love out to, I'm looking now at one of my videos, Male Flower 23, thank you for your support. Joyce Wiley, thank you for your support. Andrea, thank you for your support. Natalie, my bestie, thank you for your continued support and watching my videos. Just Simply Marie is another one. Shannon My Vlogs, big up yourself. So I cover my rice to help with the cooking process. The water doesn't cook the rice, the steam does. And what the foil paper does is it helps to block off any additional water that might sweat whilst the pot is closed. So here I am teasing up my rice a little to get everything like evenly spread out and to make sure everything is cooking. My rice is looking fluffy as can be, and it's not even yet done. It's a little dark because the heat is going over my light, so that's the reason why it's looking that way. But the smell of it, I can't wait to consume this. At this point, close-up shot of my rice. My rice is almost done, almost ready for serving, but I will still be adding my foil on it under really low flame so it continues to cook and that everything is cooked. This is another lit rice, and for this rice I served it up with some Barbie fried chicken. Let me tell you, it was lit. A little avocado on the side. You will see a dished plate at the end of this video. I do hope that you enjoy this video. Please make sure you give the videos likes. It is for free. There is no cost to just touch the like button if you're watching the video. I added my foil again for like another 10 to 15 minutes and I know my pot will be ready. This rice, you don't even have to consume this with any meat. You can just eat this as is because the rice is lit. The rice grains are shelly. They're fluffy. Everything came out really good. And I'll be throwing you a lot of videos with rice. However, I will not be doing the regular white rice and peas. There's so many other ways how we can experiment and prepare other dishes. So watch out. I have my spinach rice. Here comes, I bring my coconut rice. I have my rice and peas out there. I also have my fried rice. I'll be coming out with other rice videos, so please stay tuned. Look at my Barbie fried chicken and my coconut rice with a little tossed salad on the side, a little avocado and a little plantain. And let me tell you, this was tasty. And on the side I had a glass of sorrel that I made and it was really cool. Again, here's another hit. Here's another banger. Please make sure you enjoy this video. Please make sure you test this coconut rice out. Try this video and please remember to give it a like. Thank you all again for your support. Help me to continue to increase my customer base so YouTube can send my videos out, so I can increase my subscriber base, my watch hours. Stay tuned. See you soon.